She knew we had coming, that's why she was waiting on us.
Yeah, that's why I said, don't get that in.
Yeah, I know that. She almost got me though. Hey, you had to.
That's your real there on this song.
No, see, I know.
I didn't song pull you back to it.
No, I didn't.
You gotta tap out.
No, see, that's why I stayed on his edge right here. See.
Nah, that's the song right there.
Nah, see,
I could've stepped there, but it wasn't working. It wasn't working to me. It wasn't working to me.
I knew he had that glass in there for a reason. I ain't even never looked.
Nah, bro, nah. That song right there, I knew it was gonna be crazy.
Man.
Nah.
I said, did he have it in last year? Did he have it in last year?
Ooh, shit.
It wasn't like this?
All this is new.
You looking, go on, get in. Go on, get in. Get on the wall.
Complete rebuild.
Look, go to the wall.
He only had 6.
Okay, get back. Look. Keep the baby.
Yeah. They going to the wall.
Hey, y'all ain't nothing. Look how y'all just walked up there.
This is set
y'all
up.
just walked up there like it was set up.
It is set up. I got to see
They had no one.
Hey, I do that. And then drop it,
Number one, 3 or 4 times. I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time. Number one. I ain't telling no lies, I just talk about it.
He's finally broken.
He came back.
But this is a tap y'all saw.
He never.
You didn't tap. Oh, wait, you said,
Ain't no way.
Lord knows it's a cold
He
game.
did worse because he leaning against that window. That's hurting him worse.
that's how it works.
Yeah, if you turn towards the window, that fits you. That was a bad.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.